The shy bear speaking from the edge of the couch, her soulful eyes glinting, her paw in a pouch. The white bear blinks and waves at her mate. The little piggy grunts and join the lion for a day. From their hole in the ground, the crew are ready for a drive. In my eyes, oh the tears, when did they arrive? And then she asked me why I cry when there's nothing around but smiles, only fun and joy, nothing to worry or disappoint. So I nod at the girl and I'll smile through my years. Oh my darling,